So, hi guys, welcome back to my channel. So in this tutorial, I'll tell you how I made my first app with studio.co.ort. So, let's start. Just click on App Lab. It will open. Then in this video, I'll tell you how I made my first app. So, first just drag and drop the button in the middle, then just set the background color to citrus, this, then a text input, not a text input, a label, a label here which says click the button to see the magic. And then just drag this here, and then just increase its length. So this was the design for the app, and when you go to code, and guys, you can also make these apps. Helper code.org, just drag this here. So just make this on event when button one click function. Okay. Then one click. Just got this, set property, just drag this set property to screen 1, background color to yellow. So what will this do is, then when this button will be clicked, it will change the screen color to yellow. Let me show you at the thing. Just drag I forgot. So guys, so this is the first line. Okay guys, then you can if you want the text code, then it's right here. You can write in the text. If you want the block code, it's right here. Both uses the same. You can say on event dash button 1. Sorry, on event double colon button 1 double colon comma double colon click double colon comma function bracket equal to class end curly bracket. You can see here also it's only the same. Okay guys, so